na wala pong warning to po, so pasensya na. But I just want to thank my mom for organizing everything and my family for being present always.
It's really strange and emotional to witness someone who was once a large part of your daily life begin a whole new
Welcome to our family. Hello. Congratulations. Best wishes and best wishes.
Noon medyo mahirap ng araw. Pero nagsumikap siya at nakita ko yung pagpupursige niya. She's just like my daughter. So please take good care of mine, okay?
Yung kauna-unahang baby sa Villa de Calamba, naggumulo sa buhay namin. Hindi, makulit kasi yan si Maymay, pero I'm very proud kay Maymay.
Very young looking Lola.
At alam ko mabait ka. Isang hingi ko lang. Dagatas, bigay mo na. Hindi mo ako pinababayaan. Sana wag naman makalimot.
Nakalimot.
Hindi naman. Kaya sasabi ko sa'yo nandito. Baka makalimot. Love. Kaya love. Mahalin mo sana ang aking apo. Of course, no. Mabait dyan. Okay? Yes.
That didn't come from me.
Yes. Alam mo, mahal na mahal ko yan. At alam ko na mahal naman niya. Sana huwag mong pababayaan. Ano?
Her first car, which we called Colette, because in our family, we called her Colette. But I am so proud to tell the one I am driving now is part of her budget. Sabi nga noon, I am the one who booked our tickets for our bonding. Out of town, out of country. I am the one who will pay the tickets. But now, Maymay is the one paying ticket for me just to be with her in Chicago. Yes. With free meal, free board and lodging, and most especially with free shopping. Saan ka ba, di ba? Our family is always with you, May. I'm so happy what happened to your life. So, my energy I invested to you, hindi mo ako binigo. You never made me fail. So, for future Mr. and Mrs., guys, can I request one big round of applause for my daughter and for my future son. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Enjoy the event. Thank you.
All right, are you ready, everyone? Are you ready? If you're ready, someone na po palang makakasaya ng hiyawan! It's wrong! Ating puset, I love you. Hey, tita! Ayan, tandaan niyo lang po. Who is the baby book?